Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your Instagram followers in your following list. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app. Then you want to head to the lower right corner where you see your small profile picture. You want to click on it. Then you want to head to the top right corner where you see the three straight lines. You want to click on them. And then you want to click on settings and privacy. Then you want to slowly but surely scroll down to the section that is called Who Can See Your Content. You want to click on the first option, which is account privacy. When you're at account privacy, if you want to hide your account, your followers, your following list, you have to toggle this in. This will simply transform your account from public to private. And this means that the only people that still will be able to see your content, your photos and pictures will be the people who are currently following you, people who accepted to become your followers. This doesn't mean that you cannot filter the content and the privacy even more. You can actually filter from your current following list to particular people not seeing your content. This is similar as the one that you have on Facebook, where you can post and the post will be visible for your friends, and you can accept some of your friends to not see the post. What else? Well, according to Instagram, when you actually make your account private, your post simply can be seen by anyone of your Instagram, even if they don't have an Instagram account, okay? When your account is private, only the followers who you approve, like I mentioned, will be able to see your content. And again, you know how sometimes you're able to find people by looking at their name or their nickname, but you cannot see who are they following. You see they're following 100 people, you try to click, you cannot see who they're following. You see they have 100 followers, you try to click, you cannot see who is following them. This is what actually comes from making your account private. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.